In a sunlit kitchen, a kettle releases a slow sigh as steam curls toward a quiet window, as if listening to a whispered breath. A potted fern droops slightly, then steadies, its leaves catching a pale beam of afternoon light. A coffee mug rests, hands unseen, as a clock ticks softly and shadows shift with the breeze. Outside, rain traces small rivers on the glass, while a single leaf strokes the sill in a patient pause. The moment holds, then fades as color returns to the room and attention settles on the stillness.